Greetings everyone, I'm Emre Ata. This is another video. On this video I want to show you how we can buy BabyDoge Coin, BabyDoge Coin on Gate.io. It's so easy. Firstly, this is our website, exchangereferralcodes.com. If you don't have account on Gate.io, you should click Gate.io referral code on this page. We clicked and we came Gate.io referral code article. This is your referral code for commission, discount or kickback. If you want, you can get your code here. If you want, you should click this banner. We clicked. Fill your form or code here. This is important, and click next. And in next step, you should click your KYC and after click market. If firstly you need deposit money, click buy crypto, select credit card and add USD, dollar or different. What is your country? What is your main currency? You should deposit money with this currency to Gate.io. Now we deposit money. We need BabyDoge. Okay. We came here, search BabyDoge. In here, click this. This is BabyDoge trade page. Red color sellers, green color buyers. For example, we want to buy BabyDoge. Click here, 500 USA dollar, and click buy. Or we can sell BabyDoge like this on this section. Write our number here and click sell. It's so easy. If you need more information about BabyDoge or Gate.io, you should visit our website. Wish you a good day.